Now, if you merged a group of points together, you can actually explode them back into a the number of points that you merged. So this 12,741 we actually merged as was 3 points, and we merged it into 1 point. So if you go to the CAD tab under this average points drop down, there's an explode points, and from the explode points you can see that it can select the object. So if I click on find explodable points, you'll see that it found that 12,741 and it was actually merged from 3 points. So you can add a suffix, so to the point numbers you can create an average point. You can automatically center that in the plan view. So if I basically pick on that point there, you can see that it's finding that point, and then I can click explode, and what it'll do is it'll turn it into 3 points. Now it doesn't put the numbers back, but you can see that it's puts an X, so I can see that those are the ones I exploded, and it was made up of 3 separate points, and now I have 3 points that are identical numbers, but it explodes the points.